Limonana. What is Limonana? We are here in the beautiful Miami Design District. St. Roch Market is behind me. We're gonna go inside in a minute. I'm gonna teach you guys and my friend Kristen how to make limonana. Limonana is the official refreshing beverage of the Middle East. Limon, nana, lemon, and mint. It is unbelievable virgin, or you can just add some vodka and make it an amazing cocktail. Let's go. Kristen does the PR and the marketing for Tran An, which is
it's a Vietnamese concept that's also here in the St. Roch Market. We do banh mi and we do pho ga, which is a chicken noodle soup.
Amazing photos, oh my God. So I want to show you how to make limonana. Easy, breezy, lemon squeezy. All it is, really, it's a homemade lemonade, which we make with fresh lemons, a little bit of cane sugar, and what makes this one different is the addition of the mint. And people don't even realize how mint and lemon go so well together. Some of the properties of mint, it has a lot of iron, magnesium. It's an amazing refresher. You know, you can chew on mint, okay, after a meal, and it will clean your palate. We start by making fresh lemonade. Lemons, water, and sugar. This is the fresh lemonade. You can have it as it is, but it's not as good as with our beautiful mint. So the process is very easy, and if you're at the St. Roch Market, come and try it.
I'll be making them fresh today.
Some crushed ice.
So you pour the crushed ice in?
Yeah, not all of it, just half. That's good. Fresh lemonade.
Okay.
Fresh lemon. Then you take some fresh mint. You can do it even with the stem. Believe it or not, the stem has a lot of flavor as well. Especially when
I would have typically just picked it off the stem, but you want to put the whole stem in.
Also, the stem has a lot of properties too, you know. I like to put a nice amount of mint because it really is refreshing and powerful and scented, aromatic. That's it, that's pretty much it. All we have to do now is just put it
on the blender.
On the blender.
And that's how it's
10 seconds.
Yeah,
ready? Let's do it. Perfect.
Yeah.
Excelente. St. Roch Market, come here.
Mwah.
Oh my God, I have to try it too. Where's my straw? Where's my straw?
That's incredible. It's a lot of mint, but in a nice way. Very soft way.
So refreshing.
Lemony, minty, but in a very soft way. It's not super harsh. And summer's coming, so it's gonna start getting really.
Don't forget the vodka.
Oh yeah.
That's for the happy hour. All right, guys. So thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you at St. Roch. That's it. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.